Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. These videos are for training purposes only and my own trading ideas. Alright, welcome back. So, got a couple charts. We have Maker USD and Maker BTC. So, we'll start on the monthly. So you can see we had all this area here. We had all this area here. So remember, we're on the monthly. Both it came down to a monthly structure. Let's go to the weekly. And there we go. I'm going to take structure there, structure there on the weekly. Let's take them down to the daily. Now, let's get rid of those. Let's get rid of those. Let's add them on our daily. There's our daily structure. Here's our daily structure. Let's take them down to the 4 hour. Let's make that a little nicer. Again, let's get rid of them. Let's put them back. So we had this structure here. We had this structure here. Okay. So remember, we're on a monthly structure, right? Weekly. Went to our daily. So now we're on our 4 hour. Take our Fibonacci from our swing low to our swing high. You see we came right down into the zone. We'll do the same thing here. You see we came right back down into our zone. So now put our structure there. Put our structure back there. So now you can see how things are starting to shape up. So we had our break, retest. We had our break, retest. So off this break, retest. Could have entered here. We had this buying pressure, right? With your stop loss right below structure. Remember, we're watching the monthly, right? So our first target would have been somewhere around here. Second target somewhere around in here. Third target up in here. Same thing here. First target, second target, third target would be targeting this zone up here. But, so, how do we know this was going to be the one that's going to take off on a tear? Because we were on the month, we came clear down to the monthly and the weekly structure. Okay, let's grab a random chart. Let's find something that's green. We do ONT. Let's do ONT on that one. We'll do ONT BTC. On that one. Let's do the same thing. Let's go back to our monthly. So you can see last month was good on USD, but we haven't had anything on the monthly ONT BTC. But we do have this here, okay? We do have all this down here. But what we would need, we have structure there. We have some structure here on the monthly. Let's take that down to the weekly. So we do have this nice little double bottom that's formed here. Not looking too bad here. But I hope you see the difference. If we could have got this here, the same time we got this here, then we would have had an explosive move. So that is the difference. When you have both USD and BTC line up on a major structure, that's why you get the explosive moves. This 20% versus these other ones. Because you have big traders that are trading in USD. You have your BTC traders. So it just creates a snowball effect. These guys get the breakout on USD. They start buying. You get the breakout on BTC. So they start buying. So it just causes a snowball effect. Let's get rid of that. So you could have essentially took your position on this breakout, put your stop loss below structure. It's 11.99%. First target would have been the top of these highs. Second target would have been there. Third target would have been up there. So now you're at a 3-to-1. but you can actually get better entries. Let's get rid of this. Let's go back to this. So we're on the 4 hour. You see we had all this structure here. We had the breakout, retest. That. Right down to the 618. So when it came down into there, you could have actually dropped all the way down to the 15. So here was our breakout. This was our retest. Then you had this structure, broke out. So you could have entered here with your stop loss there. So now we're at 3%, but still targeting, because we're looking at the monthly candles here and here. So right to the top of there, 41%. And now you're looking at a 13-to-1 risk to reward. So that's a little trick. Takes a little bit more work, but if you watch USD and BTC and everything comes together on the higher time frame structures, that's why you see these explosive moves. Hope that helped. If you found this video educational, please like, subscribe. Don't be afraid to drop a comment down below. Something else you want me to cover. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. So you see we had this move up here, impulse, correction, impulse. Now we're getting this little baby candle here. We need to see it come take out this high. We also have this structure down here, around 53,000. We also have a structure here at 57. Still seeing a little bit of buying pressure. So we could see a continuation tomorrow. Like for it to come retest this area here. Anyways, thanks for watching.